Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito na guys, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko after my coffee break. And then I will try this on kung okay pa, kung maganda ba yung kasi it's on sale. So, i-check ko siya kung perfect ba siya na. So, gagamitin ko. At panglabasan, like, going out. So, we will see. Stay tuned. So, ito na. I bought it is from H&M. H&M is Swedish. But if you, H&M, is really, affordable siya dito sa Sweden. But, if you compare it in Philippine price, masagit sa bulsa. Pero, dito is, pinaka affordable siya na clothes here. Since it's a Swedish product, so let's try this on. I bought some, I have to use this one in my Paskong handog ko. Ito na guys. This coming 22. Ito yung gagamitin ko sa Paskong handog. Kasi Christmas. It's a Christmas. Next is about some for layers since it's cold here. So, pang layer lang siya. And then, this jacket, yeah, I bought also sale. Yeah, corduroy siya. This one, dollar two. It's also on sale. So let's try this on. So you can have also some scarf. Ganda siya. So what do you think? Ganda ba? What do you think? You can judge.